off of the top. Can you go down a little lower now? Good. Yeah, just do what's in front of you. You can move to do the right side in a minute. Good. Can you reach all the way to the bottom? Not quite? Alright. Alright. Come over to the right a little bit. We'll do the bottom right. We'll get that little touch up later. Looking good. Watch out for your feet. Okay. Do you want me to turn it for the next side? Oh, it looks like it's covering the green all right.
Can you move it?
Is it not in a good spot?
No.
Can you bend all the way to the bottom? There we go. Get your corners at the bottom. Whoa, you've already got that good, huh? Go down to the corners. Good. All right, go up. There you go. Okay, you're getting too much in one spot. You gotta move your can back and forth so it doesn't run so much. Move on down. Back and forth and moving down. Or up. Okay. Try to move down. Good deal. Try to get all the way to the bottom. You don't have to get that right corner. I can move the box again. Ooh, it's windy. Doing great. Get down closer to your knees so you can get there. You go. All the way toward me.